It's Monday, so let's work on some snacking cake for the week. Today I have a lemon blueberry cake with a blueberry curd topping. So starting with our dry ingredients, I have some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and then some salt. In a separate bowl I have some sugar, and then we'll add in a zest of 1 lemon. Toss the sugar and the lemon zest together, and then using my fingertips we'll get it rubbed together. Next I'll add in some butter, and now we're going to get this mixed for about 1 minute. So you'll want room temperature eggs for this, but I forgot to take them out ahead of time of course, so I added them to some warm water. I then have some sour cream, but you can also use Greek yogurt, lemon extract, and then fresh lemon juice from the lemon that we zested. Now with our white ingredients done, we'll add in our dry, and then I'm going to fold it in with a spatula. So there's still some pockets of flour left, but before I finish folding it in, we're going to work on our blueberries to add in. So I have the blueberries that we're going to be adding to the batter, and I'm just going to add some flour, and this will help prevent the blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the cake. So now with our batter, we're going to add in our blueberries, and then we'll get these folded in gently. We're going to prepare our 9-inch cake pan now. And then just because, I'm going to add some extra blueberries on top. Our oven's set to 350, so now we'll put this in there. While the cake is in the oven, we're going to work on a blueberry curd. So first, we're going to start with some sugar, a little bit of salt, and then some eggs. We'll then get some lemon juice ready, and then frozen blueberries. So now we're going to take this mixture and put it on the stove until it thickens up. So now with the curd thickened, we're going to pass it through a sieve, and then we'll press it down to make sure everything comes out. Next, we're going to take some butter. I'll chop it into cubes, and then we'll start mixing it in. Our butter's fully incorporated, so now we'll get it added to a jar. And I really like how strong that color is. We're going to let this chill in the fridge now while the cake continues baking. The cake was in the oven for about 30 minutes, so now I'm going to take it out. Now we're going to work on a lemon cream cheese frosting. So I have some softened butter. Next, I'll add in some cream cheese. I then have some powdered sugar, some lemon juice, a little bit of lemon extract, and then a pinch of salt. Our frosting is done, so now we can start assembling our cake. As I generally say at this point, you can frost it and design it however you would like. And then with the curd that I made earlier, I'm just going to dollop it around. Finally, I'll just top it with some extra blueberries. Now for the best part, I get to eat a slice. It looks pretty good. Some of the blueberries went to the bottom, but that's totally fine. The cake is super moist, and the lemon and blueberry definitely balance together. It almost has like a jam-like effect at the very bottom. And using frozen blueberries definitely elevated the blueberry curd. You can find the ingredients in my caption, the full recipe on my Substack, and I'm excited to do another snacking cake next week.